Hello students, this is Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litera Z School, Jhansi. Today we are taking topic business activity of chapter 1 nature and purpose of business from class 11 business studies. So business activity can be classified into two heads, industry and commerce. So first we take about industry. What is industry? Industry is a place where goods are converted into finished or semi-finished goods. We can say it is the combination of man and machines. There are three types of industry: primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary industries are those which are associated with nature. They extract resources from it, and they are of two types: genetic and extractive. Genetic industries are those which are associated with rearing and breeding of living organisms. They are of four types: rearing and breeding of animals, living organism, pisciculture, dairy farming, nursery. And extractive industries mean extracting of resources from the natural sources like mining, fishing, timber cutting or lumbering. So these are all the part of the primary industries. Now, what is secondary industry? Secondary industry are those industries which make use of the output which is made by the primary industry. They are of two types: manufacturing and construction industry. Manufacturing industries means production of two types of goods: consumer goods or capital goods, and they are of four types: analytical, synthetic, assembly and processing. So first we take analytical industries. These industries are those types of industries which breaks the goods into several products like crude oil. If we refine oil, we get petrol, diesel, oil, kerosene, etc. from that crude oil. Second is synthetic industry. Synthetic industry means combination of two or more types of chemicals like toothpaste, soap, detergent, etc. Third is assembly. Assembly line industry means where there is the combination of many types of finished goods like automobile industries, electronic industries, etc. Fourth is the processing industry, where goods are made by after passing through various stages like cloth, etc. Now, second industry of two types: manufacturing and construction. Construction industries is associated with the constructions of roads, bypasses, national highways, dams and bridges. Now the last one is tertiary sector or service sector. This includes five things: transportation of raw material and finished goods, banking for extracting and depositing the money in the bank, communication by the help of telephone, fax, emails, insurance and advertising for the promotion of the goods. So basically there are these three types of industries. Now we are moving to the commerce. Commerce basically means all those activities which are done for moving goods from place of manufacturing to the place of consumption, and they are of two types: trade and aid to trade. So students, what do you mean by the term trade? Trade means selling and buying of goods. There are two types of trade: internal and external. Internal trade means the trade which is done beyond the domestic territory of the country. They are of two types: retail and wholesaler. These both are the link between the producer and the consumer. Retailer deal in small quantity, whereas wholesaler deal in bulk. Now external trade means the trade which is done across the boundary of the country. They are of three types: export, import and re-export. Export of goods, import of goods and re-export of goods. Now apart from trade, we have to do some services so that our business can move or run easily, which we call as aid to trade. Aid means help to trade. So these are the five things which will help us in running our business. First is transportation. Transportation means transportation of raw material and finished goods to the market. Second, banking. A businessman requires banks for keeping his money or for taking loan from the banks so that he can perform his business activity. Communications by the help of telephone, mobile phone, WhatsApp, internet, etc. Fourth is insurance. One of the important topic is insurance. So that by insuring the goods, a businessman be relieved from all the tension and worries of the business. Fifth is advertising. It means sales promotion of the businessman. So friends, these are the trade and these are the aid to trade. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.